Sup guys, VayHoz here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make bass lines using FM and Sytrus. Yeah, just general dubstep bass lines, I guess, and stuff like that. And also basic FM stuff, probably. Okay, so basically first thing you want to do is just get a pattern down, something. Maybe 140 BPM. I'll get my metronome just to, get... Okay, let's say this is our little pattern that we have written down. Okay, so we only have a sine wave playing this right now, which would work as a sub bass technically. So okay, let's just paste that a little bit around here. There you go. Okay, so we want a FM sound, right? So let's just start moving knobs here. This is sine wave affecting another sine wave. It's not that interesting, to be honest, but if you mess around with other waveforms, one thing that's fun to do is having a square as your main oscillator, which in massive, you'll hear what it does. So, this, or it might sound a little bit more like this inside of massive. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. It's pretty cool, I think, and what we're going to do is just add a few more harmonics like that, just randomly in the oscillator tab, so... Okay, so that's pretty cool actually. What we're going to do is set the maximum position that we want this little oscillator to be at, and we're going to go in the volume tab here, mod X, and then just do a linear shape like that, just one straight line going up, like that. And now we can officially use this little macro. So basically, if you don't have this set up like that, you can't really automate a parameter like that inside of Sytrus, and this is also good because you can readjust it. If you want this to be the max now, then this maximum value is going to be this. So it's pretty cool. If you're not sure what I mean by this, just look at the video, and you'll actually be able to see what I'm pointing at with the little mouse. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna automate this little X knob right here, and there we go. Okay, let's go with something like that. I did like the sound of that. And then we're just gonna go on with a little bass line or something, just like that. Okay, maybe a little more aggressive, I guess. I don't know. And you just kind of trace an automation according to the, what it sounds like, I guess. If it sounds too distorted or too messy, just readjust your little range over here, I guess. And you can do this with multiple oscillators, by the way. You can have another oscillator affecting 2, which we'll just do right now, just for the sake of the video here. So 3 is gonna, mess with 2, with a mod shape here, mod X, and I'm gonna make it so that it doesn't affect it too much. So there you go. That's pretty cool, I guess. Okay, so let's say we have that. Okay, so a little like that. Okay, so this is very weird. I mean, I don't know a song that has a sound that sounds like this, so that's good. And what we're gonna do is just start filtering things, because that's what really you do in any kind of DAW and not only DAWs, but even any kind of plugins. So that's what you do, just. The fun things are to mess with high passes with resonance, like that. The way I did that is I scrolled down onto the number, and then you can, adjust the resonance or whatever, which is fun. Okay, so let's say... And you can give things tones with filters, especially high passes. Okay, let's say that. So let's see, we can get an alternation like that, which is fun. So now it sounds like there's two sort of sounds playing. Okay, let's go with something like that. Okay, maybe I'll mess with that a little. How about this? And yeah, basically you just keep messing around with that. It's very fun, I think. You can distort it. And eventually, if you keep processing your sound like that with filters and others stuff, you can get a really fun and cool sounding FM sound. One thing that's fun is actually getting rid of the low mids and then boosting, the lower end, just to kind of, I don't know, compress or redistort. So that can be really fun. Another thing you can do is even automate the little volume knob right here. So let's see, just like copy the value here, and then you can obviously automate the volume knob, which people do a lot in Serum. So yeah, that's pretty fun. Let's go with that. Then that's basically it. Just try to make automation, just using as many tools as you can. Try to keep it simple though. Simple ideas are still as good as things that have taken forever and sound good. I don't know. So that's just I don't know, quick video. Show you guys how to do sound design just inside of FL Studio. And hopefully you guys have a great end of the day, and more videos coming soon. Alright, take care guys. Peace.